Hello everyone, this is Anna here, and today I will teach you how to apply this cool sunshine effect in GIMP known as the line nova effect. So it's an effect that you can apply to the picture of your loved one. So it's good to have a picture that is not too much in close focus, so that like this should be good. So then we take the crop tool and we set the settings to expand from center and aspect ratio 1:1, and then we crop by expanding from somewhere around the middle of the face of the person. So we go ahead and we crop, and then we can add some guides to the picture. Add new guide by %. So we are going to add horizontal and vertical guides. And then we create a new layer we fill with transparency, and we call it line nova. So it's where we are going to add the effect. And then we go to filter, render, line nova. And here it's good that the rays do not start from too close from the face. So here you can see, so it's good to have something around 200 pixels, offset the gradient from 200 pixels. And we set the color to somewhere around orange yellow. And then we apply it. And then another step that we can do is we can add some light gradients to it. So we select the gradient tool. And then there is a specific gradient that I try that looks good with this effect. Is this glare flow radial one, and then we apply it on a separate layer, so that adds some light glow to it. And then we change the mode to overlay, and we decrease the opacity somewhere around 30, so that it's not too visible. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So you know how to apply the line nova effect to any picture. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe. Until then, see you next time. Bye.